This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Sportsman 570 Utility Edition. The left handlebar will contain the front brake lever, brake reservoir, light switch, off-run switch, and the reverse override switch, which allows the rider to gain additional speed while in reverse. In the center, there is the gauge cluster, variable low-speed limiter switch, auxiliary switch, power socket, headlight adjustment, key switch, and the fuel cap. The right handlebar will house the four-wheel drive switch and the throttle lever. In the front of the vehicle, there is a watertight storage compartment. The latches are located on the rearmost side of the compartment. The center trim can be removed by removing the four fasteners in the middle of the compartment and lifting straight up. Removing this will give you access to the radiator cap, radiator, terminal block, and the fuse panel. Under the left front wheel well are the coolant overflow bottle and the battery. Onto the right side of the vehicle, you will find the shift lever, rear brake pedal, and the engine oil dipstick, which can be accessed by removing the access panel. Removing the driver's seat will give the rider access to the air filter box and the rear brake fluid reservoir. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find the rear storage compartment, accessory plug, and the rear suspension adjustment points. The VIN label is located on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. The VIN is also stamped on the left rear lower vehicle chassis frame. Warning: read all labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.